So are you new to your plant journey and you want to get into some cool and unusual plants, but they're low maintenance and easy as well? Cactus are great for that. And this is an amazing grafted euphorbia. Very, very cool. It's grafted onto another plant right here. The cactus is at the top. If it didn't have the grafted stem, it would look just like this. So just kind of a plant in a pot. Just kind of brings it up a little bit. Super cool. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Low maintenance, easy. So like I said, if you're new to your plant journey, this would be a great plant for you to experiment with. Get a good cactus and succulent soil, put it out on your patio, so it is more of an outdoor plant, and very little to no watering is needed. So anybody can have success with this, and there's other varieties as well. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So you'll look like a plant expert, and it's a great conversation piece when you have friends over.